Have you ever pondered the mysteries of your computer? How it hums to life and performs tasks at the click of a button? Our world is technology-driven, and the heart of this revolution resides within the metal and silicon of our computers and laptops. Each of these devices, complex and fascinating, plays a pivotal role in our daily lives. But what makes them tick? How do they operate with such precision and intelligence?
Sir, yes, sir!
Let's begin with the brain of the computer, the central processing unit, or CPU. This tiny chip processes instructions and controls other hardware components. Next, we have the motherboard, the central hub where all other parts connect. Think of it as the heart, pumping life into your computer. Then comes the random access memory, or RAM. This is your computer's short-term memory, storing data that's actively being used. It's like a scratch pad for your computer's thoughts. Our next stop is the hard drive, your computer's long-term memory. This is where all your files and software live, ready to be recalled at a moment's notice. Lastly, we have the power supply, the unsung hero that provides energy to every part, akin to the food that fuels our bodies. And each part, as you can see, plays a significant role in making your computer alive and responsive. With a clear understanding of each part, one might wonder, how do they all come together to form a working computer? Well, the first step is choosing the right components. It's like being an artist selecting the perfect colors for a masterpiece. The motherboard is your canvas, and the central processing unit, or CPU, is the heart of your creation. This is gently placed into its socket on the motherboard, followed by the random access memory, or RAM, which slots directly into the motherboard as well. Next, we introduce the hard drive, the library where all your information is stored. This is securely fastened inside the computer case. Then we connect the power supply, the life force of our machine, to the motherboard, hard drive, and other components. Finally, we invite the peripherals, like the monitor, keyboard, and mouse, to join the party by plugging them into their designated ports. And voila, you have built your own desktop computer, a testament to technology and your newfound knowledge. So, what have we learned today? We've unraveled the mystery of the computer, identifying each part and their unique roles, from the motherboard to the tiniest transistor. We've also learned how to assemble these parts into a functioning desktop computer. By understanding these devices, we empower ourselves to be more tech-savvy and appreciate the intricate marvels of technology. So next time you power up your device, remember the complex symphony of components that make it all possible.
Time to show what you're truly made of. Great start. You're on your way to becoming a trivia master. You're on a roll. Onward to the next challenge. You're on fire. Keep those brain gears turning. Final level ahead. Give it your all. You did it! You're the ultimate trivia champion.